Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway. Well, Kyle and the team have now fully prepped the 718 Boxster, and now it's time to lay down the paint protection film. So we are doing the full front end package. So we're doing the bonnet, guards, headlights, front bar, and we're actually going to double check if we should do the headlights, because Porsches do have an issue with pulling old film off and damaging headlights. In the process of doing the bonnet, we've removed the badge here so that we can bulk fit it. We'll stick the badge straight on top, so there'll be no edges around there, which would be really, really nice. We're doing the A pillar, the leading edge around the windscreen. So we're gonna be protecting this with film because we know how much these panels do get hit by stones. We're doing the wing mirrors, and we're also doing the rocker panel because these do get obliterated in these really low Porsches. So that's gonna be a really good part to do. Really, really nice color. We've really had to make sure it's clay barred, fully decontaminated, machine polished, everything, all the prep work's been done already. So now it's time to have some fun and some very difficult fun and start putting on the paint protection film, the SunTek PPF Ultra. Time to get to it. Have both been installing the PPF on this beautiful Boxster. We've got down all the main areas. We've been trimming, we've been tucking all the film around the edges, and it's really, really coming up looking amazing. So what we've done is we've cleaned it all down, we've prepped everything. So now we're going to be putting on the ceramic coating. We're going to be installing it on all the film, the wheels, all the body, the glass, everything like that. And then we're actually going to be dropping this car off back to the client's house because they're only just around the corner and they're actually a long time customer of ours. So the whole aim of this is to try to hide the fact that it is wrapped, but at the same time, you do have to be okay with seeing edges and a few trimmed in little bits because it is impossible to get perfect. Well, it is for us personally anyway, so we're just not there yet to be the world's greatest PPF installers yet. So it's really well protected, it's gonna bead very well, and this film does come with a 10-year warranty, which is really, really helpful. So more PPF jobs to come, we hope. It's going to be awesome, and can't wait for you guys to see how this car turns out. And we might even do a review video in a year's time to see what the PPF looks like after 12 months of being on this Boxster. We'll see you guys soon.